Welcome to our channel, where we explore the world of woodworking and home decor. Whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out, you'll find a wealth of inspiration and practical tips to help you transform your living space with beautiful, handcrafted wooden pieces. Our videos cover everything from project ideas and design tips to step-by-step tutorials, ensuring that you have all the tools you need to succeed in your woodworking journey. If you enjoy what you see and want to stay updated on our latest projects, be sure to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Your support not only motivates us to create more content but also helps us reach fellow woodworking enthusiasts like you. Join our community, and let's embark on this creative adventure together. Woodworking is not just a hobby, it can be a thriving business. By transforming your workshop creations into stylish home decor items, you can cater to a growing market. This article explores various profitable wooden decor ideas that can enhance any living space while providing a lucrative business opportunity. The demand for unique, handcrafted items continues to rise as consumers seek quality over mass-produced goods, making woodworking a viable career path for those with the skills and creativity to tap into this niche.
Decorative wooden wall art. Wooden wall art adds a touch of elegance and personality to any space. With a wide range of design possibilities, from geometric patterns to nature-inspired motifs, you can create bespoke pieces that resonate with your client's tastes. This customization allows for higher pricing, as customers are often willing to pay more for items that reflect their individual style. By focusing on quality craftsmanship and creative designs, you can establish a brand that stands out in the competitive home decor market, fostering customer loyalty and repeat business. Handcrafted wooden coasters. Handcrafted wooden coasters may be small, but they can make a significant impact on home decor. These items can be personalized with engravings or made from unique wood grains, appealing to consumers who appreciate artisanal products. By selling coasters in sets, you can increase profit margins while providing a practical solution for homes. Coasters not only protect surfaces, but also serve as conversation starters, making them an excellent addition to your product line. The low cost of materials and high markup potential make this a lucrative venture for any woodworking business. Rustic wooden shelves. Rustic wooden shelves are incredibly popular for their charm and utility. These shelves can be customized in various sizes, finishes, and designs, making them suitable for any room in the house, from living rooms to kitchens. By offering unique designs that reflect current trends, you can attract customers looking for both functionality and style. The appeal of rustic aesthetics lends itself well to the growing demand for home decor that evokes warmth and authenticity, allowing you to position your product as a must-have item for modern homes. Elegant wooden picture frames. Picture frames are a staple in home decor, but custom wooden frames that showcase high-quality craftsmanship can attract buyers looking for unique ways to display their memories. Offering a variety of styles and finishes caters to diverse customer preferences, ensuring that there's something for everyone. By emphasizing the personal touch that handmade frames provide, you can tap into the emotional aspect of home decor, making your products more appealing as gifts or cherished keepsakes. This emotional connection can significantly enhance your sales potential. Wooden planters. With indoor gardening on the rise, wooden planters are an attractive and stylish way to support this trend. By creating planters that are both aesthetically pleasing and functional, you can tap into the eco-conscious market. Consider incorporating drainage features and customizable sizes to meet customer needs, which will further increase their appeal. The combination of functionality and design not only enhances the beauty of indoor spaces, but also aligns with the growing desire for sustainable living, making wooden planters a profitable addition to your product lineup.
Thank you so much for watching our video. We truly appreciate your support and engagement. Creating content like this takes a lot of time, effort, and resources, and we want to share that journey with you. From brainstorming ideas to gathering materials, filming, and editing, our team invests countless hours to ensure we deliver high-quality, informative, and inspiring content that resonates with you. We believe in the value of craftsmanship and creativity, and it's our mission to bring that passion into your home through our projects. Your views and feedback mean the world to us and motivate us to keep improving and sharing even more exciting woodworking ideas. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing so you can stay updated on our future projects. Your support makes all the difference, and we can't wait to bring you more content that sparks your creativity.